Imagine a world where light itself betrays you, where every flicker is a death sentence. Now, picture a creature that defies this fundamental law, wielding a weapon so unique, so utterly alien, it redefines the very boundaries of survival. This is the story of the Dragonfish, a master of the deep, an enigma wrapped in bioluminescent mystery, and a living testament to evolution's most audacious experiments. Prepare to journey into the crushing darkness, where the rules of physics are rewritten and an invisible hunter stalks its prey with a secret no other creature can comprehend. In the vast, silent expanse of the deep ocean, light is a precious, fleeting commodity. As you descend, the familiar spectrum of colors begins to unravel, swallowed by the immense pressure and density of water. Red light, the first casualty, vanishes almost entirely within the first 30 feet, leaving a monochromatic blue void. This isn't just a visual phenomenon, it's a profound evolutionary pressure. For millions of years, deep-sea organisms have adapted to this blue-tinted reality. Their eyes, honed by countless generations, have abandoned the ability to perceive red, deeming it an irrelevant wavelength in their perpetual twilight world. To glow in the deep is to paint a target on your back. Most bioluminescence here is a haunting blue-green, a beacon in the gloom, signaling either a warning or an invitation to a predator. Survival hinges on invisibility, on blending seamlessly into the endless blue. Yet, amidst this universal blue prison, one creature dared to break the rules. The dragonfish, a living paradox, developed a way to see and hunt in a color that, by all accounts, shouldn't exist in its environment. It's an evolutionary gamble that paid off spectacularly, granting it an unparalleled advantage. The dragonfish's secret lies in its extraordinary ability to produce and perceive red light. This isn't just any red light, it's a specific, long-wavelength infrared-like emission, generated by specialized organs called photophores located beneath its eyes. Most bioluminescence in the ocean is blue or green, making the dragonfish's red glow a truly anomalous phenomenon. But here's the profound twist, the scientific puzzle that baffled researchers for decades. Producing red light is only half the equation. To utilize it, the dragonfish must also be able to see red light. And deep-sea fish, as a rule, lack the necessary red-sensitive pigments in their eyes. This presented a biological impossibility, a challenge to our understanding of deep-sea adaptation. The breakthrough came with a discovery that rewrote textbooks. Scientists found that the dragonfish doesn't rely on standard vertebrate rhodopsin pigments for red vision. Instead, it employs a derivative of chlorophyll, the very molecule plants use for photosynthesis, to catch these elusive red photons. It's as if this fish has borrowed a piece of the plant kingdom's machinery to conquer the darkest depths. This biological overclocking allows the dragonfish to filter its own blue-green bioluminescence through a series of fluorescent protein screens, shifting its wavelength to the red spectrum. Then, using its unique chlorophyll-derived visual pigments, it can detect this self-generated red light. It has, in essence, engineered its own private, invisible searchlight and a corresponding night vision goggle system. The dragonfish is a marvel of predatory engineering, every aspect of its anatomy honed for stealth and lethal efficiency. Its body is slender, almost eel-like, allowing it to glide silently through the water, a phantom in the abyss. But its true weapons are its head and its unique sensory apparatus. Its mouth is a gaping maw, capable of unhinging to an astonishing 120 degrees, allowing it to swallow prey nearly as large as itself. The teeth are needle-sharp, transparent, and perfectly aligned for piercing and holding. This transparency is crucial. It prevents any stray light from reflecting off them, maintaining the dragonfish's perfect camouflage even during an attack. It is a stealth fighter crafted from flesh and bone. Beneath its chin dangles a long, slender barbel tipped with a small, glowing lure. This isn't just a simple bait, it's a sophisticated sensory array. This barbel acts as a motion sensor, detecting the subtle vibrations and pressure changes caused by nearby prey. It can feel the faint heartbeat of a shrimp or the distant flutter of a small fish, long before its red light even illuminates them. Once prey is detected, the dragonfish activates its suborbital photophores, bathing its target in a crimson glow that is utterly invisible to the unsuspecting victim. To a shrimp, the dragonfish remains a shadow, an unseen threat. But to the dragonfish, the shrimp is suddenly illuminated, starkly visible against the blackness, like a stadium lit up at night. The hunt is swift, silent, and devastatingly effective. Why would evolution push a creature to such extreme specialization? The answer lies in the dragonfish's unique ecological niche. By developing a light source and visual system that no other deep-sea creature can detect, it effectively removed itself from the conventional rules of the food chain. It became a predator without rivals in its specific hunting domain, a master of its own private wavelength. This niche of one granted it an unparalleled advantage, allowing it to thrive in a competitive and resource-scarce environment. It could hunt with impunity, its prey utterly unaware of the impending doom until it was too late. This level of specialization is a testament to the relentless pressures of natural selection in the deep sea. However, such extreme specialization often comes with a cost. Producing red light and maintaining the complex biological machinery for its perception is metabolically expensive. Some researchers ponder if the dragonfish represents an evolutionary dead end, a creature so perfectly adapted to a specific set of conditions that any significant environmental shift could spell its doom. If the ocean's chemistry or temperature were to change, even slightly, its secret weapon could become a beacon for its own extinction. This debate highlights a fundamental question in evolutionary biology. Is ultimate specialization a path to unparalleled success or a precarious tightrope walk on the edge of oblivion? The dragonfish stands as a living case study, a dramatic example of life pushing the boundaries of what's possible for better or for worse. The dragonfish is more than just a fascinating deep-sea creature. It's a profound lesson in biological innovation. It proves that the abyss doesn't just create monsters, it creates ingenious engineers, organisms capable of bending, if not breaking, the very laws of physics to survive. Its existence challenges our anthropocentric view of the world, reminding us that life finds a way, often in forms we can barely imagine. This creature, with its chlorophyll-derived vision and invisible searchlight, forces us to confront the limits of our own perception. If a fish can evolve to see the invisible, what else is happening down there in wavelengths we haven't even measured yet? What other forms of communication, predation, or survival are unfolding in the vast, unexplored depths just beyond our current scientific grasp? The dragonfish is a living alien, a mirror reflecting the boundless ingenuity of nature. It tells us that the deep ocean is not merely a dark, empty void, but a vibrant, dynamic frontier teeming with undiscovered wonders and untold secrets. It's a realm where life has crafted solutions to challenges that would seem insurmountable, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. The dragonfish, with its unparalleled red light vision, once seemed like the pinnacle of deep-sea adaptation. Its mastery of an invisible spectrum was thought to be the ultimate evolutionary advantage. But the ocean, in its infinite mystery, always holds more secrets. Recent expeditions, pushing cameras deeper than ever before, have begun to capture fleeting glimpses of something even more extraordinary. Flashes of light, in colors we cannot yet identify, have been observed in the abyssal plains, far below the dragonfish's hunting grounds. These are wavelengths that defy our current understanding, suggesting that the deep sea may harbor creatures with sensory capabilities that make the dragonfish's red light vision seem almost rudimentary. The dragonfish may have its sniper scope, but it might just be the target for something much, much bigger, something operating on an entirely different, unimaginable spectrum. The deep ocean remains the last true frontier on Earth, a realm of profound darkness and unimaginable pressure, yet bursting with life that challenges every assumption we hold. The Dragonfish is a powerful reminder that our understanding of this world and the life within it is still in its infancy. What other biological marvels await discovery in the crushing depths? What new forms of perception, communication, and survival are evolving in the unseen? The answers to these questions hold the key not only to understanding our planet's biodiversity, but also to inspiring new technologies and challenging our very definition of life. Join us in this incredible journey of discovery. Share your thoughts in the comments below, subscribe for more explorations into the unknown, and help us support the vital research that continues to unveil the mysteries of our deep blue planet. The abyss is watching, and it's waiting for us to look closer.